Guys, please confirm to me. All of you read my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Please confirm to me, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Please type in chat window. Type in questions box. All of you, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, everybody, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Yeah, thank you. All right. Good morning, guys. Right, sir. And any of you are new today, please take this URL for daily classroom notes. Right, sir. If any of you are new, try to take this link. This link is providing daily classroom notes. Whatever the content here we are providing there, every day the content will be available through this link only. Just type this URL on your browser. Automatically, you are able to get the daily classroom notes. Okay. I think. Right, sir. Chat questions box అని చెప్పు అని చెప్పు chat. Right, sir. Now see this last class content what we completed. Java was provided by Sun Microsystems in three parts. What are the three parts of the Java that Sun Microsystems has provided? J2SE, J2EE, then what next one here? J2ME. Alright, J2SE we understood clearly. J2SE or Java SE what there? Java 2 standard edition. It will provide only fundamentals of the Java. It will not provide the complete Java. Next one is it can be used to prepare standalone applications. If you design and execute any application on the basis of without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. All right, examples for standalone applications are simple calculator, calendar, and so on. Next one is how many applications are standalone applications there? Only 5% of the applications are what? Standalone applications. All right, its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there? 1000%. It is a dependent programming language for to work with the J2EE technologies, to work with mobile application development platforms like what there Android, and to work with the testing tools, Selenium, and so on and so on and so on. So many things are available. So because of that reason here, what's the point here I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. All right, sir. Next one is J to EE. That part here we have to understand. What is the meaning of this J to EE? All right, sir. All right, sir. And just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I'll talk with you. Guys, those who are attending in online, please remember this. Chat box is not available. Please remember this. Chat box is not available for you guys. Questions box is available. Please recognize this. Chat is not available. Questions box is available there. So we can type the questions there in the questions box. Okay. Guys, please recognize what I'm telling to you. In our go to webinar window, questions box is available. In the questions box, we can type the questions. Yeah, no chat box, not like chat box, just it's a questions box. There is an option in the go to webinar, questions is available. There we can use that questions box. There we can type your questions there. Continuously I'm watching your questions, then I can give answers for it. Okay, right. All right, sir. So J to EE, if you observe this, J to EE or Java EE are what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. It will provide server-side programming. It will provide what there? Server-side programming. It can be used to prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. All right. What is this enterprise application or distributed application? If you observe this, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. All of you understand it clearly. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. All right. What are the various applications now? How many applications are available like this? And outside, 95% of the applications are what they're enterprise applications. Examples you have taken there, all banking applications, all healthcare applications, all social network applications, all transportation applications, food delivery applications, insurance applications, like so many, everything in every domain, we can identify these enterprise applications or distributed applications, right? Next one is examples. The diagrammatic view are given there in the last class. What is this standalone application? What is this distributed application? Everything we understood. In a standalone application, the complete application is running on a single machine. There only we are compiling, there only we are executing, there only we provided input data, there only we are getting output. Everything is going on in a single machine. That is standalone application. But distributed application is what? Client server application. At client side there is a program, at server side there is a program. Means that our application logic is distributed over multiple machines. Between two machines, our application logic is going to be distributed. Client application and server application, where some client code we have written, server code we have written. When we execute both the applications, no, client is sending request to the server, server side program will be executed, server is generating some response back to the respective client. This is a clear-cut analysis about like what the client server application. That means distributed application or like what enterprise application clearly. All right, sir. J to ME, the point here what I have given there. What exactly the meaning of J to ME? No, understand it clearly. J to ME or Java ME, Java to micro edition. J to ME or Java ME in the sense what there? Java to micro edition. It will provide micro programming. What it will provide there? Micro programming. It can be used to prepare mobile based applications. It can be used to prepare mobile based applications. Next one is, if we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called a mobile based application. Everybody understand it clearly? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called a mobile based application. How many applications are mobile based applications? No, 100% of the applications are what they're mobile based applications. Mobile based application, mobile application development has very good demand, but JTME is not having any demand. It's almost all dead. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. Why? Because number of alternatives are available for mobile application development. Like Android maybe, iPhone maybe, like what next one gets, Swift or maybe different technologies are available to prepare these mobile applications. That's why because of that reason, J2ME is not having any demand regarding our content. Yes, sir. Or if you're getting it or not, that's okay, fine. Leave this one. After this, now today, just I want to give some details to you. Now try to understand the details. No. All right, sir. First of all, let me give some clarity for you about this. What is going on at present in the software companies? What is trending in outside? What exactly the things? Just few minutes of time. I'll talk about this content here. After that, I'll move on to the original content. All right. See this, all of you know. Just I'm asking one question to all of you. Try to answer for it. We are going to prepare projects in the companies. Applications we are going to prepare a project, software project. Every project is having its life cycle. Every project must have its own life cycle. What are the high level phases of the software life cycle? For example, if I take a project, this is project. For this project, what are the high level phases of the software life cycle? If you observe this, now I'm going to give some few things. First one is analysis. Just high level content only I'm discussing there. It is not like any complete internal view. High level phases only I required now as per our context. Analysis is one thing. After this analysis, no, we can understand it. Inside this analysis, we can identify total functionality analysis and requirements gathering and everything we can do. Okay. Then after that, the next one is important one is like what there development development phase. Then after this development phase, next one is like what there we need to go for testing, for example. After this development, we have to test the code. Testing. After testing, the last one here we are going to do like what there production and support, whatever it may be. So these are mainly high level life cycle stages of any project, top end life cycle phases of any particular software project, software life cycle phases. Again, I'm telling that I'm not intended to discuss about entire software life cycle immediately, like waterfall model or maybe different models are available. I'm not thinking about it. Just basic awareness I'm providing. Project is available for that project. The top end life cycle stages are like what there analysis, development, testing, then what next one? No, production. So, if you're getting it or not, it's okay, fine. This is one point here. Next one is after this analysis part. Who will perform this analysis part? Actually, almost all top end people will perform this analysis here. So we are not going to think about it. Being the developer, I'm not going to think about it. Top end people will do that. Maybe analysts are available. Business analysts maybe, functional analysts maybe, different people are available in the companies. They will take care about like what their this analysis phase now. Being the ordinary normal application developer, we are not going to be involved in this particular thing. Understand it clearly. All right, if we come for this development point, no, developers can do the development point, no. In general, the development is going on in three levels. Three levels of development is going on. What are the three levels of development which is going on there? Observe carefully. Three levels of development, if you observe this. First one is front-end development. Front-end development. Next one is middleware application development. Middleware application development, or simply speaking, app development, application development. Last one is what there, back-end development. Back-end development. That's it overall. Three types of developments here we are able to identify. What are the three types of developments? No, front end development, middleware application development, back end development. Okay, right. If you observe the front end development, what we are going to think about front end development now? For example, simple in our understanding level, I'm taking this example. All of you are having Gmail account. Just in the browser, we are typing www.gmail.com. Immediately, what we are getting there? We are getting a login page, username and a text field, password field, login button. In the bottom, sign up. There is a link, sign up link. If I click on the sign up link, a registration form we are getting, sign up form we are getting, where name, password, or some other details we are having there. By filling all the details, if we click on register button, your data will be sent to the application. Application will store the data into the databases or somewhere else. When we completed the sign up process, no, automatically sign in page will open. That means login page will open. In the login page, we are going to provide the data. See, understand this entire scenario. Login page, registration form, hyperlinks, buttons, text fields, labels, all this total part is nothing but user interface. This entire thing is what there? User interface. That user interface will be provided under front-end development. That user interface will be provided under front-end development. Like what there? All the pages, all the web pages are nothing but what there? User interface. That user interface will be provided in what there? Front-end development. Please recognize this point clearly. Right, sir. To prepare this front-end development, what exactly the technologies and tools here we required to prepare this front-end development, what technologies and the tools we required. If you observe this, basic UI, basic UI components. What are these now? HTML, CSS, then what next one here? Apart from this, we can identify Bootstrap. Next one is what there? JavaScript. Next one is what there? jQuery, like this. These many things here we require. These are like what their basic UI. Here I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Okay. Up to this is basic UI. Apart from these, some frameworks are available for front end. What things are available here? Some frameworks. What are these frameworks for this front end development here? Either we have to use what there Angular. Understand it clearly. Either we have to use Angular or we have to use what there React.js. Nowadays, out of these two, see, both are alternatives. Both are not in sequence. Both are alternatives. Either we can go with Angular or we can go with what there React.js. But at present, the trending one is what there React.js, not Angular. Angular is almost all outdated. React.js is having demand. Understand it clearly what I'm telling now. Okay, both are alternatives. Either of these here we have to understand. All right, sir. Now this is the story about like what there front-end development. Observe carefully. One more technology is available. Node.js is available, but the Node.js is at the back-end side, server side. So, but server side we have Java already. No need to think about it for the Java developer. Being the Java developer, no need to think about like what is that Node.js. Node.js is a server side technology. If you are not the Java developer, you are completely UI developer, front-end developer, completely front-end developer. There we can use Node.js as a server side technology. But basically, if you are coming from Java, Java is used as what their middleware application development. That's it. Think about it. These are the various technologies and tools, frameworks we required in the front-end application development. That's okay, fine. Leave this punch here. Coming to the middleware application development. In the same Gmail application, sign up. Here we clicked there, hyperlink. Sign up form we are getting. When we are getting the sign up form, where we are providing our data or not? Username, password, all email ID or mobile numbers, all the details here we entered or not? When we enter all the details now, when we click on register button there, when we click on register button there, automatically what happened there now? In the front end data we entered. In the middle, application is available. Server side application is available. Application will take your data. Application will check whether this data is a proper or not. It will apply some business rules and regulations over the data. It will process the data. I get my point or not? All right. When application is taking the data, it is processing the data. For that, we need to provide some code. That code is nothing but what their middleware application development. That providing code is nothing but what their middleware application development. Server side application is called as what their middleware application development. Understand it clearly now. To prepare this middleware application development, there we need a set of technologies. What are the various set of technologies here we required about this middleware application development? Java is one thing, maybe Python is another one, maybe .NET is another one, and so on, some other technologies. Or if you get my point or not, we can use Java, we can use Python, we can use like what the .NET. Depending on your requirement, we can select either of these technologies. But basically now we are in Java. So if you think about Java for the middleware application development, what exactly the technologies we have to understand in Java. If we take Java as a middleware application development technology, what we have to see inside the Java. There, if we observe this, first of all, here we have to understand like what there, core Java. There we have to understand advanced Java. Next we have to understand Hibernate. Next we have to understand Spring. Next we have to understand Spring Boot. After this, next we have to understand microservices. Next we have to understand web services. RESTful services are come under web services partner. These are the various things here we are going to use. These are the main technologies. But sidewise some other tools are available. Maven tool or Log4j or like this different tools are available. The tools are going to be automatically they will come there along with our content. All right, so now these are like what they the technologies we are going to use to prepare like what their middleware application development. To prepare this middleware application development, these are the various tools here we are going to use. Okay, fine. In the same Gmail example, understand it clearly. Sign up form we taken, we enter the data, we click on register button. Server side application has taken the data, process the data, finalize the data. Finally, whatever the data we submitted, the data must be stored into the database or not. Every server side application has to maintain one database or not. In the database, the data has to be stored or not. The database is nothing but backend. The database is nothing but what their backend. So to maintain this backend, here we need some backend technologies. To maintain our data permanently in our application, we need to use some repositories. Repositories are nothing but what their databases. So some storage areas we required. The storage areas are nothing but what their databases we required. In the databases only we are going to store our provided data. So one database technology is required or not? All right. For Java application development, what databases mainly we are going to use? Mainly we are going to use what their Oracle. Then other than this, next level is what their MySQL. SQL server is there, but that SQL server is not for Java application. Of course, we can use SQL server for Java also. But the compatibility level, if you have to this, SQL server is mainly for .NET application development. Oracle and MySQL is mainly for what they Java development. The compatibility level. But still, Oracle we can use for .NET, MySQL we can use for .NET, SQL Server we can use for Java. Understand my point? That all the things we can use. But compatibilities, if we check now, Oracle, MySQL, both are compatible for what their Java application development. Got it or not? This is a clear-cut information here, what I have given there about this back-end application development. Yes, sir. All of you are following my point or not? Guys, all of you are getting clarity or not? So what I am discussing with you, nothing. At the end, you can understand the conclusion. At the end, we can understand the conclusion. That's why I'm giving the total content here at present. Try to recognize this. Analysis, it is not in our hand. Just leave it. Some other people will take care about it. Development is purely available in our hand. Three types of developments. What are the three types of developments? No, front-end development, middleware application development, back-end development. For front-end development, what we require? Basic UI, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, frameworks, Angular or React.js. React.js is a famous one. Middleware application development, purely Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. Next one is backend development, Aragil, MySQL. These are the development part now. Leave this one. After completion of this development here, if you observe this, next one is what? When we complete our application now, when I prepared a project, when I completed my development part, myself, I will test my application. That is developer level testing, unity testing. I can test my application here at my level, at locally. But that is not the standard way of testing. That is developer level testing only. Okay, some testing experts are available. We have to send our project to the testing experts. They will test our application. They will give certificate for us. Okay, this application is good. Functionally, this application is very good. No problems are available with this application. We can send this application to the client. Like this, the testing people has to give some certificate for us. Our application must be passed in the testing phase. So where for testing purpose we need to use what their testing phase. That is one of the life cycle phase. This is important phase. Development is okay. We can do the development, but before submitting our project to the client, everything we have to check. So the testing phase is very, very important. Clearly, passing testing phase is almost all winning a Nobel Prize in a company. This is a slogan. Passing testing phase is nothing but what they're getting Oscar award. Understand it clearly. So it is not easy to complete the testing phase. Why? Because in a testing department, if testing department is not working properly, if testing department is not working properly, client will give fines to the companies. The client might be will not satisfy about our project. That's why testing is very, very important. Right, sir. Good. If you want to go for this testing now, there we are going to use like what there. All right, manual and selenium. Manual plus selenium. You are going to use this kind of tools to perform this testing in general for Java development. For Python also be Selenium is available. That's a different story. For Java, Selenium testing is going on effectively. Of course, in Selenium testing also, so many tools are available, so many sub content is available. That's okay. I'm not moving up to that level. Testing Selenium, manual plus Selenium, we are going to use for the sake of what they're testing here we are giving. Okay, I develop the project. Testing is completed. Then what next one? I completed my project. Then what next one? I have to send that product or project to the client or not. I have to go to the client home. Then I have to deploy my project at client home. Then I have to give information to my client or not. This project is going on like this. This project is working successfully. Just you can test. Now client will keep that project in the live. Client will keep that project in what they're live. Live in the sense directly keeping that project in the public domain. Public users can use it directly. If it is a ATM application there, production is nothing but what there. I prepared that entire ATM software. I embedded my software with the ATM machine. I given that entire product to what their client, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank or maybe some like ATM machines provider, and they will keep that ATM machine in the public. Public can use it. Understand my point or not? So this entire phase is nothing but what their production phase. In a production phase, mainly deployment. The main concept of the production phase is what there? Deployment and monitoring. Deployment plus monitoring. Deployment plus monitoring and plus maintenance. Maintenance. These many names are available. Understand it clearly. What are the various names here? We can understand it clearly. Right, sir. Deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. These are the various things which are involved inside the production environment. Good, very clear. I'm going to ask some questions to you. Try to answer for it. When the project is in production mode, we have to deploy the application. Am I right or not? What is the meaning of deployment of the application? installing your application into the server machine, keeping your application into what their server. So if you want to deploy the application, we need server or not? Come on guys, we require server or not? Server is required or not? Some application server is required or not? Okay, server is required. Database is required or not? Definitely database is also be required. Understand my point here? If you want to deploy an application, server is required, like database is required, the total infrastructure is required, network is required, infrastructure is required. Not only that, especially we have to monitor that application, especially we have to maintain that entire infrastructure. See, observe carefully. If a client is providing this deployment, monitoring and maintenance and everything, if client is taking care in its own about this deployment, monitoring and maintenance and everything, automatically client will get a burden, too much burden. Moreover, they may not have the sufficient resources. That maintenance problems will come. When maintenance problems are coming there, users will not satisfy about our project. When users are not satisfied there, automatically demand will be reduced. Business will be gone. Understand my point, Ken? So, deployment, monitoring, maintenance must be provided effectively for the projects. Understand my point, Ken? For example, Facebook is available. If Facebook is down continuously, one time it's okay, down it's okay, I accepted it. Every day, half an hour it is down. Nobody will go and use that Facebook. Understand my point? That's a maintenance problem. Proper maintenance is not available. Proper monitoring is not available. So nobody will go for that. Business is going to be down. So because of that reason, deployment is important. Monitoring is required. Maintenance is also required. Properly we have to provide. So clients may not bear the cost of the deployment, monitoring and maintenance continuously, or maybe even though they are able to bear it, but proper resources may not be available with them. So because of that reason, that maintenance problems will come here. Exactly in this particular situation, for deployment, for monitoring, for maintenance, for the entire infrastructure, some third party people are giving that services. Third party people are giving what they that services now nowadays. That third party people, those who are taking care about the deployment, monitoring and maintenance, all these services now, the third party people are what? The third party people are like what? Cloud providers. Nowadays, what are the third party people there? Cloud providers. Sir, I'll forget my point or not. Who are these people now? Cloud providers. Who are the cloud providers, guys? Now tell me. Nowadays, so many cloud providers are available. The best three cloud providers are nowadays now Amazon Web Services. Next one is what there? Azure, Microsoft Azure. Next one is what there? Google's GCP, Google Cloud Platform. They are the three best cloud providers nowadays. Sorry. Now here, cloud providers here we require them. Who are the cloud providers here now? AWS, that means AWS. Next one is like what there? GCP or maybe Microsoft Azure. Next one is what there? GCP. They are the three best cloud providers. All right, especially in general nowadays, which one is getting more demand in outside? If you observe this, AWS is getting more demand in outside. Amazon Web Services is getting more demand in outside. So definitely cloud provider is required. One example, one more point here. All of you now tell me, guys. All of you now tell me. Okay, AWS is giving some kind of cloud service for us. They have to use one server or not? Server I have to use or not? But if you want to maintain the server, first of all, one operating system is required or not? Is it possible to maintain a server without operating system? Not possible. Definitely we need what? Operating system is required. And that operating system we required what there? Some server, maybe some database. Everything is going on with an operating system or not? Here the question is, what operating system is required for us? What operating system is required for us? For cloud maintenance purpose, for the sake of doing all activities with the cloud. Definitely operating system is required. Basic platform is required. What is that basic platform? Who is providing that? Then what operating system is suitable for it? Do you think about it? Windows operating system is very good for it. Windows operating system is very good for this particular one. Are you thinking about it? No. Answer is what there. Windows operating system is only for local application development and for entertainment purpose only. Windows operating system is not for server maintenance, databases maintenance. Windows operating system is only for the sake of watching video games, for the sake of watching movies. User friendly operating system up to user interaction only, not for actual processing. That Windows operating system is not sufficient for server maintenance, server side applications execution, and all these things. Okay, if Windows operating system is not sufficient, which operating system is the best operating system for this? Which operating system is the best operating system for this particular one? If you observe this point here, Linux is the best one. Linux is the best one for what there? Server maintenance and all the things. Why? Because why operating system is required now? For example, I have a server. For example, app server is available. There I have to deploy my application or not. To deploy my application, I have to execute some commands. I need to write some commands. What commands here we are going to use? Linux based commands are available. Through that Linux based commands, we are able to maintain what there, that entire environment we are going to deploy. For deployment, undeployment, start the server, stop the server, so many things are available. Everything we are going to do through what there, Linux operating system. So Linux is required. Okay, sir, good, fine. Up to now, understand it. Linux operating system is available. On the top of that, server is available. Where inside the server, I want to deploy my application. Okay, application is deployed. Understand it clearly. I need to start the server. I need to deploy my application. I need to pack my application. I need to deploy my application. After deployment of my application, I have to monitor my application. Application is running perfectly or not? Is my server is down or server is in up? All the threads inside the server properly provided or not? Connections are established properly or not? Continuous monitoring is required. 24/7 monitoring is required. I get my point or not? So what is the point I'm telling there? For deployment of the application, for monitoring of the application, for maintenance of the application, we need to use some tools. We are having some tools, software tools are available. All the collection of these tools, almost 10 to 15 tools are available, well demanded tools. These tools combination is nothing but like what there, this tools combination is nothing but what there, DevOps tools. This tools combination is what there, DevOps tools. Deployment, monitoring, maintenance, all the three things could be done by using some tools. That the tools collectively, commonly is called as what there, DevOps tools. Tell me some examples for tools. No, different tools are available. Categorization wise, different tools are available. Build tools are available. Maven, Ant, or maybe Gradle, some other. Infrastructure related tools are available. Ansible, or maybe like what the Chef, or maybe some different tools. No, like job might be something else. Jenkins are available. Kubernetes are available. Right. So many tools are available. Get DevOps. No? They are well demanded tools nowadays. No, all these tools are going to be provided under what their DevOps tools. So this Linux is required, AWS is required, DevOps is required. These are all three items are what I'm telling. They're coexisted. All the three items are provided as a single pack. Understand it clearly? All of them must be required for the sake of our production environment. Guys, all of you are following the points what I'm telling to you? Nothing, just I'm giving what is project high level life cycle, what we require to complete that particular high level life cycle. That information only I'm telling them. Now tell me, in this diagram, I covered end to end project life cycle related technologies and tools or not? End to end means that we can understand one point here. If you want to prepare any project, these many technologies and tools are available. Clear? Okay, now let's move on to the next point. Project is available. We already aware about life cycle. Next one is what? We have to start the development part. We have to start our project implementation. We have to start what there? Project implementation. Clear? Right, understand it now. 10 years back, 10 years back, if you observe this, in a development, for a front-end development, one separate team. Guys, understand it clearly? Front-end development, one separate team. How many members are available for this? No, almost all. Nearly we can understand it. No, depending on the project length, 5 to 10 members might be existed. 5 members team. Next one is application development, middleware application development, middleware application development. Here, how many members we required here? For example, 10 members. 10 members team. For back-end development, how many members team is required here? Maybe 2 to 3 members. Back-end is small, okay, no issues. 2 to 3 members team. That's it. Up to now, how many teams here we are using there? Almost all 3 teams here we are having, we required. It's okay. This is completed. Development part is completed. Next one is what there for testing. Again here, 3 to 4 members team. For example, 4 members team is required. This is another team. For production, previously 10 is back. For this entire production here, okay, for production, operations team is available. What team is available there? Operations team, op team. Here, how many members are available? Again, 4 to 5 members team is available. Or maybe we can identify this 5 members team. App team, we can understand it now, 5 members team. All of you observe carefully. After completion of this, another point here I am telling to you, observe carefully. System administration team, system administrators, infrastructure providers, system administrators team. Here also maybe 3 to 4 members are available. 3 to 4 members team. Next one is server administrators team is available. Server administrators team. There also be 3 to 4 members are available here. 3 to 4 members team. Yes, sir, got it or not? Now overall we can identify how many teams are available here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teams are working. If 7 teams are working for a particular project, then only that project is going to be completed. Got or not? 7 teams must work together, then only that project is going to be completed. Overall, on overall 7 teams, how much manpower is required? Out of the 7 members team, how much manpower is required? 15, 18, 22. Then what next one here? 31, again 6, 37, near about, almost all, nearly 50 members. 50 members overall, they have to work for this particular one. Understand my point? The same project is going in offshore and onshore. There also maybe some other teams are working in the collaboration. Get my point or not? So manpower nearly 30 resources we require to complete a particular project. Point number 1. Okay, but here the main problem is what there? All of you observe carefully. Everybody understand this. Here the main problem is what there? When the application is in analysis part, listen, all of you listen carefully. When the application is in analysis part, what is the status of the people, those who are in development, testing, and production? When the application is an analysis part, analysts will do that analysis. No, all remaining members are taking rest or not? They're quite calm. They're quite simple. They're not having any work. Why? Because they're not working with that. Still, they have not started their work. So all the remaining members, all these 50 members are free or not? They're not having any work or not? When the project is in development part, maybe when the project is in front end development, maybe 5 members are busy. All the remaining 45 members are vacant or not? When the project is in middleware application development, 10 members are maybe busy, remaining 40 members are free or not? When the project is in back-end development, almost all 47 members are free or not? When the project is in testing now, only 4 members are busy, remaining 40 members are free or not? All remaining teams are relaxed or not? That means at a time only one team is working. Remaining team members are relaxed. They're not having any work. Understand my point? That means, but still companies have to give salaries for every month or not? Understand, guys, what I'm telling them? If the development is going on almost all maybe 6 months of time development is going on for to complete a module. Up to the 6 months of time, what is the job for the testers? No. What is the job for this production team? No. They're simply vacant or not. For example, if company is not having any other project, only one project is going on. So only one team is working, but remaining teams are relaxed. They're not having any work. So it is a losses to the company or not. So resources utilization is not available with the companies or not. That's why nowadays what companies are doing there, companies wants to select the people or resources, those who must involve in the development part, front end development, middleware application development, back end development, testing and production. That means the resource must have knowledge on all these areas. Nowadays companies are recruiting the resources like what? The resource must have knowledge on all the technologies and tools, all the life cycle phases of the software. If any resource is available, they will take immediately. This is the situation nowadays. At present, if you go to the company, I'm a Java developer, I'm only middleware application developer, please give job to me. No, company people will not accept it. Why? Because if the application development is completed, what you will do? How I'm going to give salary for you without having any work? Understand my point here? So because of that reason, nowadays all company people what they are doing there, all company people they're trying to recruit the persons, they're trying to recruit the resources, those who are having knowledge on all the life cycle phases of the project. They must have knowledge on UI development, they must have knowledge on middleware application development, they must have knowledge on back end development, they must have knowledge on testing, they must have knowledge on production issues. Such type of developers only at present nowadays the companies are taking. Now, if any developer is having knowledge on all the technologies and tools, no, if he is able to uh, complete the project from end to end, right from starting point ending point, if any developer is available, that developer name is full stack developer. The developer name is what there? Full stack developer. If he is a Java based full stack Java developer. If he is from Python background, Python full stack developer. If he is from .NET, full stack .NET developer. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? So finally now I'm asking one question to you. Now try to answer for it. Here the point is what there. If you want to say full stack Java developer, what knowledge is required? What technologies knowledge is required here? Now tell me. If it's a full stack Java developer, the same diagram I've given there. Understand it clearly. Full stack Java developer, Java related, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, Basic UI, Angular or React JS, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools, all their technologies and tools knowledge is required or not? Guys, understand my point here? Then only is what their full stack Java developer. Listen, what I'm telling you. What is the importance of full stack Java developer? Nowadays, only full stack Java developers are getting very good demand. Nowadays, only full stack Java developer is getting very good demand. I'm the back-end developer. I want to do only back-end work. No, companies will not accept it. If you want to work in that company, you must have knowledge on all the technologies and tools. No. This is the intention or requirement of like what their full stack Java developer. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? Okay, fine. It's okay, sir. Now, again, I will talk about this full stack Java. Others maybe. I found one funny video in a YouTube regarding this full stack Java developer. Just watch it. I'm able to play that. So just see this one. How much importance is available for full stack Java developer? It's a funny video. Just it's not like any other one here. Just funny video. I want to play that. Now try to check this one. Just I'm explaining to you point to point. In a company, there is a fire accident. In a company, there is a fire accident. Manager, team lead, and all important people are searching for one resource, one developer. Check the subtitles are available. We can check this. Whose name is Kiran actually. They are searching for one person. I think voice is not coming. It's okay. His name is Kiran. They are looking for one Kiran. They find one Kiran in outside. He's not full stack Kiran. Still, they are looking for full stack Kiran. Yeah, she is full stack Kiran actually. Yeah, she is full stack Kiran. They identify full stack Kiran finally. Yeah, understand it. How they are giving treatment for her. So this is a treatment here. Just I think voice is not there in YouTube. It is available. Just one time check it. Is like what there full stack Kiran video. Something else we can search there. There we can identify that video. Just we can watch it with the sound. There we can identify clearly. So this is the demand for what there full stack developers nowadays. Okay, fine. It's okay. Nice. Good. So just my intention is what there. What is the intention of the? What is the importance of the full stack Java development? Observe carefully. All right, sir. Now, if you observe this content here, Durgasoft is providing 4 types of courses related to Java. 4 batches that Durgasoft is providing. Only core Java, if you want to learn, yes, it is possible. Here it is available. All right, sir. Basic Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. If you want to plan for it, you can go there. Complete Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservice, web service, Oracle, and basic UI. If you want to use this complete Java package. Next one is a full stack Java. Almost all 14, 15 topics are available. Full stack Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React JS, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools. These many things are available. That's it. They are the 4 types of batches that Durgasoft is providing. Depending on our requirement, we can choose the respective batch now. But my advice is what there, maybe today or tomorrow, whatever it may be, at the end of the day, you must be a full stack Java developer. Then only you will have very good weightage in the companies. Ordinary developers are not having any importance nowadays in the companies. If company people wants to fire the developers now, they are going to fire only the individual developers, not full stack Java developers. Why? Because company required always full stack Java developers. Right, sir. So better to go for like what their full stack Java development, either today or tomorrow, whatever it may be. Before joining with the company, you must have knowledge on this total full stack Java. This is a point here, what I'm telling you. Okay, sir. Good. If you take this entire all the courses, no, what is my responsibility? My responsibility is what? Up to how many technologies I'm going to teach. Do you think about it? I'm going to teach all the technologies in full stack? No, not possible. Why? Because a single person unable to complete the total content. So red color box I've given. This is Java stream, the complete Java. The total Java, I will take the responsibility. Complete Java, I will take the responsibility. Core Java onwards up to web services, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. Up to this, I will take the responsibility. Remaining technologies and tools might be number of trainers are available at Durgasoft. They will take the responsibility. They will take the responsibility. Like what there? Oracle, Sharif sir will take the classes. UI technologies, basic UI, Angular or React. These are the UI related. 2 faculty members are available. Sweta madam and Ramesh sir. They will take the concepts now. Linux, AWS, DevOps. These 3 members might be taken care by some other. Maha sir is available. He will take the responsibility. Testing tools. Ravi Shankar sir is available, and at the same time Rakesh sir is available. They are the 2 members. They are able to. They are taking like what are the testing tools. So up to entire Java, and moreover in this entire context now, Java part is almost 60 to 70%. Java is the mainstream. The total majority mainstream, I will take the responsibility. Remaining technologies and tools might be some other trainers will take the responsibility. They will teach the remaining concepts. But every trainer, they are having minimum 10 to 15 years of experience. Every trainer is having 10 to 15 years of experience. They are able to take the classes now. Real-time experts only. They already worked with the companies only. They are having these many things here clearly. So this is exactly the total content here I'm telling you. The durations and all the things, it's okay. By moving on to the disk, we can identify clearly the thing here what we are able to provide now. All of you are getting it or not? Next one is after that. All right, already yesterday I gave you an advantage of these courses here, no? That like and one more thing regarding these timings of these classes, no? If you want to go for full stack Java developer, guys, all of you observe carefully. One point I'm telling you. For full stack, if you want to go for full stack Java or any packages, no? If you want to go for it, then what I'm telling there, at a level 1, we have to start with the core Java. Next one is what there? Oracle. Parallelly, we can learn these concepts. Those are in full stack Java packages. I'm telling you. Next one is what there? UI technologies, basic UI, basic UI technologies. Okay. Then after this, DevOps. We can start these concepts here at level 1. That means at a time we can start all these 4 or 5. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? At level 1, we can start with these many technologies. Understand it clearly. This is level 1. Next one is once if we complete either of these courses here, in place of that we can start with what their level 2. Level 2. Not exactly level 2. Now here I can provide like what their advanced Java also. After completion of some part in core Java, then I will start advanced Java. Don't worry. When basics of core Java are completed there, parallelly I will start with what their advanced Java. Okay, so because of that reason, I want to provide advanced Java here only. In a level 1 only, I'm going to provide that advanced Java. Don't worry. All right, so these courses we can start parallelly. First, immediately we can start with the core Java, Oracle, basic UI, and DevOps. These things we can start immediately. No problem. We can start it. Maybe week gap or maybe 10 days gap, we can start all the courses here. In full stack Java, level 2, here what we have to complete there after completion of this. Java side, Hibernate we can start, Spring we can start. Hibernate and Spring we have to start. And if it is possible, web services, but later we will think for it. Java side 2 courses here we have to start at a time. Next one is at a basic UI side, what we have to take there, we can start with either Angular or React JS here we can start. Next one is what there, testing tools here we can start. Understand it clearly. Then after this, at level 3, we can start with like what there, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. This we can start there directly at level 3. But anyway, I'm giving levels wise, no. But first of all, we will start with these technologies. If we complete any 1 or 2 technologies there, we can start automatically second level technologies automatically. Understand my point here? Like this, when we complete some technology, then we can take like what there other technologies can. In that way, here we have to complete that entire full stack here in a 3 levels. In a 3 levels here, we can complete this total full stack now. Understand it clearly. But to complete this total full stack, how much time it will take there? It's not easy to complete 14 technologies now. Then we have to take some time definitely. All right, so now the genuinely, that means perfect content. If you want to talk, if you want to teach that perfect content, no, overall 7 to 8 months of time it will take to complete the total full stack. Yeah, really, I'm telling there. Again, I'm telling there. My approach is what they're content based. Complete subject I have to discuss with you. Total content, each and every point with the clarity I must provide. Then only we are able to complete all the concepts now. Otherwise, we are unable to complete your content. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you now. So 7 months of time minimum. I need to take it. Why? Because 14 subjects here we have to talk. In your colleges in a semester, how many subjects are available? 6 or 7 subjects. But here, how many subjects here we have to cover? 14 subjects. Almost all 2 semesters content here we have to cover. So 7 to 8 months of time is also a tight period to complete that. But still we are able to manage it. So there's a duration here. I'm telling there for full stack Java. Right? Already said you with the clear cut concept based, content based. Once if we complete the content here, in the next minute we have to, in the next week after completion of this entire full stack Java, in the first interview, itself, we have to get the job. You should be ready with the content. Let that interviewer to ask any kind of question. You should be in a position to answer for it. Let that company will give any project to you. You should be ready to do any type of project. Once if we complete this full stack Java here, it will give confidence level for you. At the same time, it will give guarantee for our job for the next 25 years of time. If you know the concepts as per our plan, next 25 years of time, you will not get any problem. Your total lifetime of software engineer, your total this generation is going to be finished with this particular content. So there's a permanent solution what we are planning there. We are not thinking about temporary solution. Of course, in outside maybe full stack Java is going to be completed within 2 months or 3 months of time also, but the situations are different. So without having our satisfaction, your satisfaction and my satisfaction, we are not going to finish the content. Subject level we have to discuss. Clearly understand the point here what I am telling you. Got it or not? Right, sir. This is the content here we have to identify clearly. This is a point here. Right, sir. Good. Okay. This is about like what their full stack development information here I'm telling to you. Apart from this, the next thing is what there after completion of this directly I want to start Java. Okay. Especially I'm going to take the responsibility of what there Java, right? Am I right or not? All of you listen carefully. I have fixed schedules for our classes, no? Why? Because I'm totally busy throughout the day. So I need to take the effectively the slots, no? The schedules I have to predefine. My schedules are predefined. Remaining technology, see, already said to you. In this overall technologies, no, up to this part, I will take the responsibility. Remaining concepts, we can attend throughout the day at any location. Just go to the office there, inquire about the new courses, no, regarding technologies. When the batches are going to be started, we can join with that. But these classes up to Java, I'll give a fixed schedule for you. What are these fixed schedules that I'm providing to you? All of you understand it clearly. Guys, observe carefully. Let me talk about even the schedules also. One time only. One time I will confirm it. Then after that we'll move forward. Yeah, all of you understand it now. At present, I'm taking the classes like what there, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is my batch now. This is about our batch timing. Sir, got or not? Now here we are discussing about like what there introduction topic, some other concepts here we are discussing there. Okay, like this here we are going on. Core Java. Observe carefully. Core Java we started here. Now here just we can understand it now. Core Java only. Okay, right. I'll start it. This is Core Java. We are going to discuss there. When Core Java is moving up to some parts here, listen carefully. Now 10 to 11:30 slot is available. 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. slot is available. All of you observe carefully. Almost all 1 month of time, more than 1 month of time, 40 to 45 days of time. The class are going on at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Please remember this. After 45 days of time, I'm going to take your core Java classes here at 10 to 11:30. Understand it clearly? After 45 days of time. Not immediately. After 45 days of time, I will take classes. Remaining part of the core Java, I will take here. Remaining part of core Java. I will take note 10 to 11:30. Recognize clearly. All right, sir. When core Java required concepts are completed, almost all coming to the end, almost all 70% of the core Java is completed, for example, then immediately I will start advanced Java here. At what time here? No, 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. In this time, I'll start advanced Java. Almost all now here from this in the middle, from this point onwards, we'll start like what there advanced Java. Parallel to this core Java. Maybe at the time of starting advanced Java, core Java is not going to be completed. Some part of the core Java is still remaining. Parallel along with the core Java, I'll start advanced Java. So here only first 45 days of see overall your core Java timings will be like what there. These are the core Java timings. Understand, guys? First 45 days I will take here. Next remaining part of the course I will take at what time here? No, 10 to 11:30. Okay, 2 slots we have to assign for me core Java. Next one is what there when the concepts we completed in core Java, required topics. No, then I will start advanced Java at what time here? No, 11:30 to 1. Advanced Java will start at what time here? 11:30 to 1. Listen carefully. Now here I will start. If core Java is completed, in place of this I will start Spring. In place of this core Java. That means in 10 to 11:30 and 11:30 to 1, if any technology is completed, remaining concepts I am going to take here. Here Spring, next one is what there? Spring Boot. Next one is what there? Microservices. These courses are going on here. But here, what courses are going on here? In this case, no 11:30 to 1, like here, Hibernate. Next one is what there? After this Hibernate, web services. These concepts are going to be completed there. That means overall, what I am telling there. Anyway, in the diagram, I am not representing perfectly. Overall, 8:30 to 10 is what there? First to 45 days of time. Next, our schedules will be at what time there? 10 to 11:30 core Java. 11:30 to 1 is what there? Advanced Java. Remaining total content, remaining courses will be taken at 10 to 1. 10 to 11:30, 11:30 to 1. In these two timings only, I'm going to take the remaining part of the Java. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? What I'm telling you now. So this is the schedule here. We have to follow clearly. Remember carefully. Right, sir. So if you are taking full stack Java, first 1 month to 45 days of time, only 8:30 to 10. Remaining time of the Java, I'm going to take on what there? 10 to 11:30, 11:31. Parallelly, two courses here I'm going to take at Java side. Remaining timing, morning before 10 o'clock, at afternoon time, as per our requirement, we can attend for the remaining courses. We can understand like what there, all the remaining content clearly. Sir, all of you are following or not? What I'm telling you now. Right, sir. This is the plan. As of now, the plan here, what I've given there, this is a plan here. Correspondingly, we can attend the classes clearly. Right, sir. After this, I think, have we got any WhatsApp message from Durgasoft office there regarding the syllabuses and all? That almost 60 pages PDF document, have we got it? Yesterday, I think so. Yesterday or today? Yesterday, you got it, right? There we can identify the total full stack Java syllabus. Or else maybe if you are new members today, you are able to get the total message today also. We are able to see that. Okay. Right. So the next one is like what? Then after this, after completion of this, now we are going to start our actual content, actual technology here. We are going to start. That means part of it we are going to talk about like what there core Java. Here we are going to start from this particular content, core Java. We are going to start. Now we will move on to what there Java programming language. There we are going to start core Java content. Right, sir. Almost all 9:50 time now. Can I start it in tomorrow? Even introduction part is also not completed. Can I start it in tomorrow? Right, sir. Then tomorrow I will start directly our Java. Tomorrow onwards technical content purely. But all these might be words or promises only today. Tomorrow onwards not going to repeat all these concepts. No. Tomorrow onwards purely Java technology we are going to understand clearly. Right, sir. That's all for today. Then we will meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow come at 8:30. I'll start our Java technology directly. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Uh, Guys, then every class is recording and every class recorded videos will be provided to you. Don't worry. Every class recorded videos will be provided to you guys. Don't worry. Yeah. Full stack Java, we are going to cover Angular and React. Both we are going to cover. No problem. It's okay. Fine. Got it. And what about the people who need to go? People who need to go into office, no? Yeah, it's okay then. Full stack Java, if you want to complete, then these are the timings, no? But we can start this full stack Java, then in our comfortable time, we can attend the classes there. Okay, whenever we are free. Yeah, guys, then I think you may get mail. Podder, G Podder. You'll get a mail. In the mail, you can identify the syllabus content and everything. Advance Java duration, everything might be then 2.5 to 3 months of time we are going to take it. Farhan, Umar. Yes, sir. Yeah, Nikita, it's okay then that you already aware about it. Yeah, Praveen, then we have that previous batch videos also, no problem. Yeah. I'm 2001 passed out. I studied BSc Computer Science. I didn't have Java experience. Afraid of fake experience. Is there any chance of trying a startup now? I had less than 60% in aggregation. No, then Hemant Kamparam. Definitely, we have to give some experience. Otherwise, 2001 passed out in a sense. Sorry, 2021 passed out. It's okay. 2021 passed out. It's okay. Nothing, sir. Just we can complete it. No problem. Yeah. Dorothy, Dono. Yeah, nice. Good. Yeah, two patches parallelly we are running. Nikita. Yeah, Hemant, then it's okay. 2021 passed out, it's okay. Chances are available to start as a fresher there, but the point is what? But people are asking to us how when we are going to. That means what we have done there during the time now. That's what then we have to get it clearly. After completion of core Java, I want to learn full stack Java. Yeah, then Bindu, just we can talk with our admin people one time, guys. Then this admission related content here, just we can talk with our admin people there. So where Shiva is the contact number, just we can reach out our office there through this. Take these numbers and take this content there. Then our people will talk with you regarding that. Okay, guys, the admission related process, just we can contact with the admin people through either of this. Okay, right. Yeah, core Java. It's also be core Java running. Nikita, right. Okay, sir. What's the problem? Why you are installing it? No? Just copy paste. No. Extract here. No, again download it. It's not in proper format. No. I think some issue is going on. Eclipse Java you downloaded, no? JEE we required. Eclipse JEE. Yeah, that is required. Just do one time that one. Okay, right. Yeah. Daronte, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll ask to you. What you asked today? 1 minute. First to 45 days of time, max whoops concepts is going to be completed. Max whoops object orientation is going to be completed. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Dorothy, 1 minute. What we asked today? Shall we spread the cost? Yeah. Darothe, just one time I'm telling you, just you can talk with our admin people regarding this fee related content. So I'm a teacher, I'm not administrator. Just one time, please talk with our admin people there. They'll give clarity on our content. They'll give clarity on this admission process and payment details and all. Okay. And which one I must attend, sir. Then better take full stack Java. Dorothy, take full stack Java better. Okay. Then apart from this, what you have asked there, it's okay. Thank you. Hemnath. Yeah, definitely. Emnath, we can get it. No need to worry for it. No problem. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Nikita, then I'll give information there. Then which version we have to install. That information I'll discuss with you in the classroom there. Don't worry. Initially, I would start with Java 6 onwards. I'm going to install there. Yeah, right, guys. Yeah, Dorothy, that definitely nice. Definitely, it'll be a programmer. Yeah, JDK and JRE both will come there if you install JDK. If you install JDK, we will get both JDK and JRE. Now onwards, these two classes are available. Nikita, ma'am, Nikita, just these two classes are available. As usual, you can continue the classes now. 10 o'clock and 11:30 at present class are not there. No? Yes, we have classes there. Within 5 minutes, I'll start. Nikita, Nikita, ma'am, you can start it. All right, sir. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Then shall we meet on tomorrow? Course content, we can get just course content. Anjali, you will get as a mail today. Then see this one. Yeah, Arikatla Avinesh. 1 minute. Arikatla Avinesh, Arish. What you gave in there? Yeah, Avinish. Now, please, once again, give a message to me. I have not seen that. Okay. Dorothy, it's okay. Nice. Good. Sir, will let us know what topics we should learn on parallel with Java. Just I've given a list there. Already I've given list of topics there and parallel to Java. Already I've given some list of concepts here. Levels wise here I've given there. Just we can understand this. Yeah, these are the concepts here we can learn Java. Along with Java, we can learn there. Avinish, just please check that. Yeah, it's okay. Dorothy, it's okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in the same order, Avinish. Yes, definitely. In the same order, we can follow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, guys, it's okay. Then we'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll give clarity for if you have any remaining questions there. I'll give clarity on tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow at the same time, 8:30. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.